Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the third video of the Tableau Quick Tips series. In this quick tip, we will be covering the time saving drop field method when working with fields in Tableau Desktop. Before proceeding with the video, there is a small request from my side. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for getting the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us go into the video. In Tableau, the traditional method of adding pills or fields to a view is by a simple drag and drop. For example, if we need to use a measure from the data pane in the view, example the sales, we can drag and drop it onto the row shelf. Here, the default aggregation displayed within the pill is the sum. If we need to change the aggregation, we need to right click the measure pill and from the context menu, select the desired aggregation. Example, we can change the aggregation to average. Hence, we would need to perform two separate actions or clicks to get the desired aggregation for the measure in the view. In Tableau, we have an alternate time saving method known as the drop field method. For this, we need to do a right click and drag the pill into the Tableau workspace. Let us right click and drag and drop the sales pill onto the row shelf. Tableau will next display a drop field dialog box from which we would need to select the desired aggregation. The options that are displayed in this drop field dialog box will vary based on the field type that is dragged into the view. For Windows PC, the keys to be used is right click and drag. However, for Mac PC, it will be different. For example, we have to use the left click and option key. Let us first carry out this drop field method for a measure. Consider the requirement here is to identify the average sales per subcategory. We need to right click and drag and drop the sales bill into the column shelf. In the drop field dialog box, we will be asked the question, which field do you want to drop? From the drop field dialog box, select the average option. Now the view provides the details of the average sales per subcategory. This drop field method can also be used on dimensions. Let us carry out the drop field for a string based dimension. For this case, the requirement is to identify the number of unique customers per region. We need to right click and drag and drop the customer name field into the column shelf. Once again, the drop field dialog box, we will be asked the question, which field do you want to drop? From the drop field dialog box, select the count distinct option. Now the view provides the details of unique customers per region. This drop field method can also be used to select either a discrete or continuous type of a date field. Lastly, let us carry out the drop field method for a date field. For this requirement, we need to identify the monthly sales trend. Let us drag and drop the sales onto the rows shelf. Next, let us right click and drag and drop the order date into the column shelf. As you can see, the drop field dialog box has slightly different options in this case. We can select the required option of the date, that is either a discrete or a continuous. From the drop field dialog box, select the second month option, that is the continuous option for month. Now the view provides the monthly sales trend. To summarize the drop field method, it will help in reducing the number of clicks required as compared to the conventional method of first dropping the field and then right clicking. Thus, we have effectively saved a single click per field or pill.